Hear the thunder rolling from the VT shore. When the white jersey steps, you know it's war. From the village to the stadium, the signal is sent. The Flying Fijians are ready to break and bend. With the speed of a gale and a warrior heart, watch them tear the defense apart. From the keep of Fristle to the final bill, the power of the palm tree the world can tell. Now look at the drew, the sheep on the wave. In Super Rugby they are bold and they're brave. At the ATC Bank Stadium the crowd gets loud. Blue jerseys spinning, making the nation proud. No tackle can hold them, no out can stay. When the Fijian flair starts to play, offload like lightning, sidestep and dance. If you blink your eye, you don't stand a chance. Oh, Torso, VT, Torso, hear the lion roar. Torso through a torso on the ocean floor. Reggae rhythm is played, but the rugby is tough. Fijian men are made of the island stuff. One love, one team, one big family. Oh, flying high over land and sea. Watch the big men charge, me ramble and ram. Solid like a rock, they don't care about the jam. Scrum time is heavy like a mountain. They move, then the back line ignites in a rhythmic groove. From the coast to the island, the war cry will rise. Determination shining in the warrior's eyes. Don't matter the scoreboard, you play with the soul. Fiji rugby is taking over, no hold control. See the white jersey flying, the symbol of the palm. In the middle of the battle, they keep their calm. From the scrums in the mud to the sun on the grass, they're moving the ball with the lightning pass. The legend of the civvy, the chant and the feet, making the hearts of the giants retreat. From the outer islands to the west side coast, the Flying Fijians are the